Hey, this Wayne over to Ram Man. Alright, so we're gonna polish up your shells. Here's your Jeep hubs. We're gonna polish up your shafts. Here's one from another client with a Jeep that's getting ready to go out today, and there's a couple more. So, obviously, this locker got broke. You gotta be gentle. So, this fits on. You can see that it fits on the shaft easily. This new one fits on. So here it is put together. Here's what you send back. So, you know it fits, but when you've got the two components together, you gotta be real gentle, because you're lining up here to here you just need to be gentle. You gotta be gentle. So you got your shaft on there. When you're putting this hub down, you gotta be gentle and rotate it. Just be gentle with it, and it'll go right on. There's no reason to be banging. Just be gentle with it. So, this one right here is good to go, but we're going to chalk it up to first timer. So, we're going to clean it up, buff it off. I'm going to put a new pair of lockers on here. I'm going to put a new pair of lockers on here and polish up your shaft. So, it's ready to come back to you. So, they go on. So, but you gotta line this stuff up. These splines gotta line up. This right here, it can't be like this, can't have it. So, just be gentle when you put it on. Alrighty? Because it does go. Just be gentle. There's no reason that somebody can't bolt this on. There's absolutely no reason. This is elementary, high school, junior high shit.